All I'll be using for this hair mask is one fresh avocado, one egg, and I'll be using half lemon, fresh lemon, and I'll be using mayonnaise, and last but not least, I'll be using coconut oil. So those are the products that I'll be using to make this hair mask. So, and you need a cup for blending all your ingredients together. So the first thing, I'm cutting the avocado into section because I'll be only using I'll be using only half avocado simply because I don't have a lot of hair naturally. I have quite not a lot of hair on my head, so half avocado will be okay for me. But if you have thick hair, you can use the whole avocado. So depends. I just don't want to left anything wasted. So put your avocado into your blending cup. As you can see, I'm doing right there. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, just like that. That will be enough. But if you have thick hair, like I said, use more. And I'll be using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And I don't melt my coconut oil, I just put it in like that. But later when I blend, everything will just be blended together smoothly. But if you prefer it to be uh, first melted, then you can do that. So I'm adding 1 egg, and for lemon, I'll be squeezing in only fresh water, like only water. Lemon water is only what I will be adding in there, and that's it. So now I'm going to blend this together, and voila, that's done. So now it's blended. That's how it looks like. Oh, so creamy. That's how it looks like. So now I'm putting it in a small container. It's much easier for me to apply using it rather than using my blending cup. And that's the mask, hair mask growth. It's amazing. It's soft, silky, and does wonders. Okay, so for the application, I'm starting now on my wash and air dry hair. I have a relaxed texture hair, so I just wash them and air dry. That's why they look a little bit wavy like that. So I'm just applying my mask, my mask for hair growth all over my hair. So I'm starting much from the roots, and then I do it all over the whole portion of my hair to the end. So make sure you apply straight from the roots and then later apply all over the whole section of your hair from top to down. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Princess Queen V, and I'm right back with this tutorial. It's all about a massive intensive hair growth mask that you can do at home. It's easy to do. These ingredients, you can get them in local supermarket of your choice, and it's very easy and very healthy, and trust me, this works really. My hair was so thin, I was having naturally, I have thin hair, but it was much thinner because of relaxer. They were thinner, but after, when I started using this hair mask, my hair started to gain the growth. They start growing so rapidly, and it's growing. It's really growing. So this hair mask does a lot of wonders for me. It's preferably than buying hair mask from shop. This works really good for me. So just apply it like I did and just massage it into your skin, like on your roots. Like you try to massage it. So now what I'm trying to do is try to take all the products that remain in the container. I don't want to left any or waste any product, so I'm putting everything in. And as you can see, I use only half avocado, and everything fits very well for my hair because, like I said, I don't have a bunch of hair, but depends. And put on a shower cap or a plastic bag, whatever you can use or you have. Put on a plastic bag like that and wait for 30 minutes. So you keep it on like that for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, you can wash it off and style as you wish. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See ya.